A community is a group of people who share common interests. Let us review one aspect of how we may use our personal skills to develop communities that can thrive today.
How have we typically used leverage to achieve more?
Leverage is the power to use the resources, ideas, or financial capacity of others to attain or exceed goals in a manner that would be difficult to achieve on our own. This positions one to provide the optimal level of quality for the products and services we deliver. Effective use of leverage has become essential to most effectively contend in an increasingly competitive environment.
Traditionally, the leveraging of powerful relationships saved time and provided access to little-known networks and the information they possessed. Leveraging the skills and capacity of other professionals in a community helped to quickly establish credibility and a position of authority as a local expert.
Excellence has predictably translated into increased long-term demand. Effective use of leverage enhanced the ability to continually attract the capital needed to deliver high-quality products or services that may be scaled to meet the growing demands of the communities being served. We individually have got the ability to accomplish what is needed for our communities to function well.
Our personal talents may empower us to achieve some remarkable results. But beyond the best efforts of any individual, communities possess the power to achieve the outstanding outcomes that will last.
WGC Interactive. Virtual possibilities. Meet viable realities.